Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. My name is Vinny and you're watching Dirty Offroad. On today's episode, we're going to try and take these horribly bleached fenders and darken them up again. We're going to use two different methods. One, we're going to try a hot flame, to see if it'll darken the fenders. The other thing we're going to try is peanut butter. Now with the peanut butter, I'm told that the oils will help darken the fenders again. I'm not 100% sure if it'll work. If you tried either one of these things, or if you tried something else and it still is working, please comment below, let me know. And we'll go from there. Let's get started. All right, I think the easiest one to start off with here is gonna be the fuel. So let's get this puppy started. We're just gonna do a little bit because we don't want to burn the fender or the tape. Definitely works better on the sides than on the top. All right, let's not push our luck here. Let's take a better look. All right, so you can see the difference there. All right, before we go on to the peanut butter, what do you guys think? And comment below which one you think is going to be better at this point. Is it going to be the fire, or is it going to be the peanut butter? I'm very curious to see which one you guys choose. All right, for the peanut butter, I got the Kirkland brand special here. We're going to take some out. Very oily. I think that's going to help a lot. I'm thinking natural peanut butter is going to be way better than your Skippies or any of that. This is sorry, so close. This is definitely the weirdest thing I've ever done to a Jeep. But let's see here. Sorry, plastic spoon, you know? All right, I guess let's mush it kind of all over. So weird. I'm thinking you're gonna definitely need an even. I think you're definitely gonna need an even coat. You know. You know, it kind of already looks like the fender's changing color a little bit. All right, let's let that sit for 5 minutes and we'll be back. All right, here's the moment of truth. Let's clean it off. See how we did. Oops. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at the difference. That's amazing, isn't it? Who would have thought peanut butter would do such a good job? All right, with that being said, what I think we're gonna have to do is wait a day or two, see if there's any fading, and give, you know, a real judgment. But I have to say, wow. I mean, I'm blown away by how peanut butter did. What are you guys' thoughts? Really like to know your opinion. But yeah, let's check back in a few days. All right, folks, it looks like the final decision is in. The peanut butter lasts longer. I'm sure this isn't going away anytime soon, but now I'm curious if we could use WD-40 or something like that to darken these. Well, we're going to close out today's episode. Well, this was last week's episode, but I'm following up with you to show you that it hasn't faded. It stayed dark. And it looks great. So don't forget to go to www.dirty-offroad.com for all your Jeep parts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.